To continue with our chapter History 2, warfare for wealth is our next topic. You have noticed that each of the ruling dynasty was having specific region, but they tried to control over other areas. Here is one example. Kannauj was a rich city having fabulous wealth. So 3 dynasties were struggling to get control over the Kannauj. These dynasties was Gurjara, Pratihara, Rashtrakuta and Pala dynasties. Because these 3 dynasties were struggling for control over Kannauj, that's why it was called tripartite struggle. Some rulers who tried to demonstrate their power and resources, they used to build fabulous buildings and they tried to build large temples, because if the temple is big and having statues of gold, silver and having precious stones, it indicates that ruler was wealthy and powerful. So whenever other rulers attacked at another ruler, they tried to capture wealth which was in temples. So temples were center of wealth and it was show off of rulers' wealth and power. Best example of that thing is Sultan Mahmud of Ghazni. He was a ruler that came from Afghanistan. He was ruling there from 997 and he ruled till 1030. He extended control over parts of Central Asia, Iran and northwestern part of the subcontinent. Whenever he attacked Indian subcontinent, he attacked Indian subcontinent almost every year. And what he do? He attacked on Indian subcontinent. He looted the money which was in temples and returned to his country. So every year he attacked, looted and returned. His target was wealthy temples, including that of Somnath. And out of that looted money, he created a splendid capital city called Ghazni in Afghanistan. Sultan Mahmud was also interested in finding out about the people of the area which he conquered. So he told Al-Biruni to write an account of the people of Indian subcontinent. So Al-Biruni wrote Arabic book called Kitab-ul-Hind. In this book he written about Indian people. Some other rulers who were engaged in warfare were Chamanas. Chamanas were also known as Chauhans. Chauhans ruled around Delhi and Ajmer and he attempted to expand to the west and east. But Chalukyas opposed them. Chalukyas were rulers of Gujarat. Most popular Chauhan ruler was Prithviraj III